Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: licenses, insurance, and a professional capability sheet that proves you can handle insurer work. Once done, compile a targeted outreach list of 10 insurers and 3 independent adjusters and prioritize by callability. Make initial contact with a short pitch that highlights turnaround, warranty, and OEM familiarity. Explain why you reduce cycle time. Make sure to track each contact in a simple spreadsheet so follow-ups happen on schedule and nothing slips through. Next, you need processes that insurers trust: digital estimates, standardized photos, and strict cycle time targets. Once those systems are in place, train technicians and service advisors to use insurer-facing language and consistent damage codes so estimates match expectations. Make sure to create 30/60/90-day performance reports that prove on-time delivery and low comebacks. Share those reports with adjusters. By demonstrating repeatable quality and clear communication, you close the gap between a one-off job and preferred shop status. Finally, you convert relationships into steady work by offering pilot jobs or trial periods with capped scopes. Insurers accept lower risk. Once engaged, set clear payment terms and offer electronic payments to speed cash flow. Make sure to confirm escalation contacts and dispute protocols before work begins. If a disagreement happens, immediately document the timeline, include photos, and request a reinspection. This preserves your position and usually resolves issues fast. Keep building metrics. Results create long-term contracts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.